Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will have a look at the OnPrintShop admin panel. It is the interface that allows you to control and manage your store, starting with setting up your store for your users, along with fulfilling the customer orders. So, as soon as you log into your admin panel, you will land on the dashboard. At the top left corner of the screen, we have provided these 5 shortcuts for quick navigation. Using these, you can navigate to the orders, customers, products, templates, and site settings respective sections. Let's move to the top center of the screen. Here, we have an admin search functionality where the admin can search for any specific thing, from the options provided in the dropdown. For more details on this functionality, you can go through the video from our help portal. In the top right corner, you can see the cache button, which you can enable or disable and delete the cache memory from your admin panel. Using the blue down arrow icon, you can access the HTML help for setting up your front store, get the solution help, get the option to maximize the screen, and find out the store's current version. Next to this is the desktop icon, clicking on which will redirect you to the front retail store. For asking your queries, you can always use this live chat icon. The notification icon allows you to see all the new notifications like orders, customers, etc. The bell will always move whenever you will receive any new notification. In the corner, you will find the profile dropdown. You can set favorite links, which allows you to set up icons and links in the left favorite section. Also, you can change your account password anytime by using this button. You will also get the option to log out of your account. Moving towards the center of the screen, you can see these quick links at the top for the modules like orders, quotes, customers, products, templates, etc. You can click and go to the particular section. Then in the dashboard, we have given admin data summaries, like recent orders, sales statistics, sales orders, etc. We have given a search box feature in some of the widgets, and some of the widgets have a View All button for you to see the all details in the respective section. We also have a refresh button that loads the recent data. In the sales order statistics, you will see the stats of the last 12 months by default, but by clicking on this button, you can view the current month's details. We have this wheel icon here for you to manage the hide and show of the widgets in the dashboard. To offer a unique user experience, we allowed our admins to manage the position of the widgets as per their preference with the drag and drop feature. Moreover, in the left panel navigation, you will see and manage all the modules. For how to manage these sections, you can anytime refer to our help portal in detail. In the top left corner, you will be able to see the detail of the account and store who is currently logged into the system. For example, whenever any admin is logged in, it will display the admin and store name. If some printer, sales agent, or B2B store is logged in, then it will display printer, sales agent, and B2B with their store names respectively. Last but not least, you will be able to see breadcrumbs at this location with the links to go to the previous pages. Thanks for watching this video. In case of any queries, feel free to connect with us.